NIFT is going to announce situation test date, and this exam is going to take place in month of June. I am Krishnan Singh, your mentor, and today we'll discuss from here probably we have 2 month time, so what we are supposed to do. No doubt this competition is going to be more tougher and harder for you guys. Well, either you are writing GDPI or you are having situation test. In both case, the students who started preparation from last 1 month, they are in a flow, but they are also supposed to continue the same flow till the exam. In fact, if you haven't started your preparation yet, so sooner you have to start your preparation, as because of this pandemic we all are in home and we have to find out the solution in home itself. You have to find the material and we are here to support you. So keeping this in mind, we have started a Saturday free classes for all of you. If you are interested, you can attend our session. You can take the guideline how we can practice in home itself. We are right now guiding more than 500 students for GDPI and situation test through online, and they all are doing really good. Now the question is how we'll practice in the home. Many of you keep asking. So I don't have this, I don't have materials in home. But the best way of preparation is how we'll manage the material which we are having in a home, and using those resources will come out with best. Must watch few video which is there. All the videos which you will watch here right now in our playlist, the all students are preparing from home. We most of us having a newspaper in home. You must have a corrugated sheet, that carton box. So there are many more materials which we suggest and we help a student, because we have a team of IIT, NID and NIFT alumni as well as industry expert. Though they will guide you, they will suggest you how staying in home, using the material and resources which you have in home itself, how you can do the best preparation. You cannot believe you will come out with something which is really amaze you. And if you will notice the NIFT situation test itself also, and the list of the material which they provide you, the all are the waste and recyclable material. You are not going to get so much any fancy kind of material there in the exam or as well. So here it's same. We also coach in such a way, so that's gonna help you. One thing also we kept in mind, you do not need to worry about the fee part. We all are in the same condition, same pandemic affect everyone across the world. So keeping that in mind, we kept it the fee also least, or we can say the minimum which is possible here. But I would like to suggest whomsoever, wherever you are, we have a different medium through our app, online classes, YouTube, however you can connect with us, must connect. If even you require mentor, one-to-one classes, that also we have. So we will help you in that, and keep watching our video, keep sharing the video. This will help you, and I hope you are already learning. I am getting many messages and call. If you need any help, if you want to continue your practice from here, contact on numbers which is given below. Contact us, must like, subscribe and share this video, and contact if you have any doubt related to your situation test and group discussion and PI. Thank you so much.